37%. Let's go. Okay, so today the door is open. Today we're sound demoing the JBL. These beautiful JBLs. Not really that beautiful. Very industrial looking design. N28 is the model number. Northridge series. These babies are made in the USA. Not that I live there or anything, but pretty cool. 7-inch woofers. I think that's a metal tweeter. I'm not sure what exact material it is. You can probably go search it up. Yeah, and these come with covers that look like this one. It's on. Not that aesthetically appealing. It's just covers. I don't really know what to say about them. But what I can say about these covers is that they affect the sound to a very significant degree, almost like a way of tuning it, if you will. They dampen the tweeters quite a lot. When you put them on, they get quite dull, and when you take them off, they really sparkle. So I personally enjoy when you take them off, unless you're really using an amplifier that's quite not sibilant, but more cool, more bright amplifier. Maybe you want to put them on to reduce the treble a bit, or you can just EQ it. Who knows? Whatever you want to do, right? But when you put them on, personally to my ears, I feel like the woofers slightly tend to overpower, be bit more woofy, and that it tends to overpower the tweeters a bit. That's to my ears, but everyone's different. Anyway, equipment time. Aslan Current SR25. Not the Mark II, but just the normal SR25. I have some FLAC files on there that I'm gonna play for you guys later. Connected to the amplifier, AccuPhase E208. I'm no longer using the Pioneer because the Pioneer, I think I messed it up somehow, but then I realized that I didn't. Anyway, it's already set up, so we're just gonna keep on using the AccuPhase from now on, and it sounds quite a lot better. So, yeah. What else? Track list, right? Track list will be folder. Hold on. I've reduced the songs from last time a bit, I think. Walk Through the Park, Fly Me to the Moon, The Chain, Blue on Black, Stellar, Shirasagi Princess, and Johann Sebastian Bach's Air on G String, or like number 2 Air, from the Evangelion soundtrack, Orchestral Suite number 3 in D major, BWV 1068. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but cool. Anyway, let's start listening to them. First, starting off with the Walk Through the Park, the Dangpot song.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. river on a stream doesn't change a thing, doesn't bring you back to warm blood.
that's about it. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's about it.